Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Flooring Jacks is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone installing hardwood floors. These jacks are designed to make the installation process easier and more efficient, ensuring a tight and professional fit for each plank. In this video, we'll dive into the top flooring jacks available, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Flooring Jack Tool, Professional Hardwood Installation. Introducing the Flooring Jack Tool, designed to simplify hardwood and laminate flooring installation. This tool helps you easily position flooring strips for a tight and secure fit, perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this tool is built to last. It features non-slip plastic handles for a comfortable grip and can handle most flooring thicknesses without causing damage. It's versatile enough for both wood and laminate. This ratchet floor jack excels in confined areas like closets and corners. Its compact design allows for easy maneuvering, ensuring every board is perfectly aligned. You won't need to struggle with crowbars anymore. The tool's ratchet mechanism makes installing hardwood floors a breeze. Simply position it, engage the ratchet, and pull or push the flooring strips into place. This innovative design saves time and effort. This tool is perfect for straightening crooked or warped flooring strips. It holds them securely during installation, ensuring a flawless finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it helps you achieve a professional quality floor. What we like. This tool is designed for efficient installation. It is built to last, ensuring it can handle most flooring thicknesses. If you're working in confined areas like closets or corners, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood floors. The product is well designed and functions as expected. This flooring jack made the job much easier. Number 4. QWORK Flooring Jack, Hardwood Flooring Installation Tool. Tired of struggling with hardwood floor installation? This tool is designed to make the process seamless. It eliminates the need for pry bars and crowbars. Worried about damaging your new floors? This tool gently aligns crooked planks. It ensures your flooring remains free from scuffs and scratches. No matter the thickness of your planks, this tool has you covered. It's engineered to accommodate a wide range of hardwood flooring specifications. Achieve perfect alignment with ease. The tool's ratcheting mechanism allows for precise placement of each plank. This ensures they are perfectly positioned for secure nailing. Even if you're new to flooring installation, this tool is easy to use. It enhances control and efficiency, making the job easier and faster. What we like. This tool streamlines the installation process. It gently aligns planks without scuffs or scratches. If you're looking for a tool that works with any thickness of hardwood, this is the one for you. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood floors. The product is well designed and functions as expected, making the installation process much easier. The flooring jack is a great tool for the job. Number 3. Samger Hardwood Flooring Jack. Introducing the Samger Hardwood Flooring Jack, a must-have tool for any flooring project. This tool simplifies the installation process, making it easier than ever to achieve professional results. This jack is designed to protect your flooring. It ensures that the planks are brought into place without causing any damage, preserving the beauty of your new floor. Featuring an easy-to-use ratchet mechanism, this tool streamlines the installation. It allows you to effortlessly align and secure your floorboards. No matter the thickness of your flooring, this tool has you covered. It's versatile enough to handle various floor types, providing consistent results every time. Say goodbye to crooked planks. This tool helps you bring those planks into perfect alignment, ensuring a straight and professional finish for your hardwood or tile floors. Make installing hardwood floors a breeze. This tool helps you achieve professional-looking results with ease, saving you time and effort. What we like. This tool ensures your flooring won't be damaged. It features an easy-to-use ratchet mechanism. If you are looking for a tool that helps straighten hardwood tile floors, consider this one. What people say. The jack has a very low profile and fits under the boards with ease. The jack is easy to use and does a great job of pulling the boards together. This flooring jack is well built and should last for years to come. Number 2. Ysnow Flooring Jack, Laminate, Hardwood, Tile Installation Tool. Tired of struggling with flooring installation? This tool makes the process easier. It's designed to help you install laminate, hardwood, and tile flooring with precision. Achieve perfectly straight lines and professional results. This tool ensures your flooring is aligned correctly, saving you time and effort. It helps you avoid gaps and uneven surfaces. Built to last, this tool is a reliable addition to your toolkit. The gold-plated and black plastic ball head provide durability and smooth operation. You can count on it for multiple projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this tool is for you. It simplifies the installation process, making it accessible to everyone. It's a must-have for any flooring project. The tool is designed for ease of use. It's simple to operate, allowing you to quickly and efficiently install your flooring. It's a great investment for your home improvement projects. What we like. This tool is designed for easy installation. It helps straighten hardwood tile floors. If you are looking for a tool that won't damage your flooring, consider this one. What people say. It is very well designed. Even the very last piece can be tightened snug against the previous row, and it just makes the last 3 to 4 rows a snap to install. Works incredibly well on those stubborn pieces that you can't get a good swing at. Number 1. TruePower Hardwood Flooring Jack and Positioning Tool. Tired of struggling with hardwood floor installation? This tool makes the process significantly easier. It's designed to simplify your work. Traditional methods can damage your flooring. This tool ensures that your floors remain pristine. It's a safe and effective solution. No matter the thickness of your floorboards, this tool is compatible. It's versatile and adaptable to various projects. Say goodbye to crooked floorboards. This tool brings them into perfect alignment for nailing. It ensures a professional finish. The ratcheting mechanism makes it incredibly easy to use. The design allows for simple operation. It simplifies the installation process. What we like. This tool makes installing hardwood floors easier. It won't damage the flooring. If you are looking for a tool with an easy-to-use ratcheting mechanism, you should consider it. What people say. The jack worked perfectly for installing the hardwood floors. The flooring jack made the job much easier and faster. The jack was easy to use and did a great job of pulling the boards tight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.